Ushbu videoda siz past perfect continuous zamoni haqida hamma narsani bilib olasiz. Videoning oxirigacha bo'ling va bilmingizni bizning qiziqarli viktorinamizda sinab ko'ring. Ko'proq testlar va qisqa darslar uchun Telegram kanalimizga tashrif buyurishni unutmang. Past perfect continuous zamoni o'tmishda boshlangan, ma'lum vaqt davom etgan va o'tmishdagi boshqa bir harakatdan oldin tugallangan ish harakatni ko'rsatish uchun ishlatiladi. Buni mukofotlash marosimi boshlanishi bilan poygani tugatgan marafon yuguruvchisini tomosha qilishga o'xshatsa bo'ladi. Ular yugurayotgan edilar, keyin esa boshqa narsa sodir bo'ldi. Biz uni quyidagicha hosil qilamiz. Subject plus had been plus verb ing plus object. Masalan, he had been running a marathon. Keling, bu zamonni qachon ishlatishimiz mumkinligini va uni aniqlashga yordam beradigan so'zlarni ko'rib chiqaylik. Biror narsaning sababini tushuntirayotganda past perfect continuous ni ishlatamiz. Masalan, Sam was very tired. He had been running. Uzoq davom etgan harakatning ta'sirini tasvirlash uchun ishlatamiz. Masalan, everything was white. It had been snowing for hours. O'tmishdagi tajriba yoki takrorlanuvchi harakatlar haqida gapirish uchun ishlatamiz. Masalan, she was a professional writer. She had been writing novels since college. Bu zamonni aniqlashga yordam beradigan keng tarqalgan signal so'zlar. For the water had been boiling for half an hour. Since he had been working since dawn. When they had been watching TV when the lights went off. Before I had been sleeping for 3 hours before the alarm clock went off. Endi qanchalik tushunganingizni ko'rib chiqamiz. Qaysi gap to'g'riligini aniqlang. A. He had been sleeps for hour before dinner. B. He had been sleeping for hours before dinner. C. He had been slept for hours before dinner. Javobingizni esa izohlarda yozing.